Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize your profile in Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel on Android. To do this, you will need to press on this arrow next to your profile picture and nickname. Then go to Edit, and from here you'll be able to change anything about your profile. For example, player name, you can customize it. Icon, you can pick from whichever icon you will have. I only have one. Icon frame, it's the same as icon, just pick whichever you want. I only have one. Title, you can get 4 of the titles. For example, remove, so it will delete one. And from here we can get beginner duelist, true duelist, and fan of the anime. Then we go to mate, and from here we'll be able to pick our mate, but we only have one for now. Monster art, and from here we'll be able to pick our monster art, but I only have one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.